Would you like to teach your kids how to budgetize for the household? Hi, my name is Miriam, and today I'm going to talk about how your kids can learn to manage a budget while helping you out with weekly groceries. Have you ever given the responsibility to your kid to manage a budget? Well, here's a personal story from my husband. When he was about 10 years old, his mother started taking him to the supermarket with her every week. And she would give him the responsibility of buying the groceries for the family. She would give him a budget, let's say 50 euros, and a list of all the products that needed to be bought. The fun and learning bit comes now. He was able to keep the change after buying all the items on that list. This exercise made him understand early in age the value and price of things and how to budgetize for the household. Why don't you try with your kid next time you do your groceries? If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about different ways to give your children a solid financial foundation while still having fun.